Sundar Pichai's story is one of remarkable tenacity and brilliance. He rose from modest beginnings to become a titan of the tech industry. Born in Chennai, India, Pichai's childhood was marked by simplicity. His family lived in a two-room apartment. Resources were limited, but his parents instilled in him the value of education. Pichai's father was an electrical engineer. He often brought home gadgets and spoke about his work. This sparked a young Sundar's curiosity in technology. He was fascinated by how things worked. He loved to tinker and explore. Even at a young age, Pichai displayed a keen intellect. He excelled in his studies. His memory was exceptional. People marveled at his ability to recall numbers and facts. His parents recognized his potential and encouraged his pursuits. They sacrificed to provide him with the best education possible. Despite the challenges, Pichai's determination never wavered. He was driven by an insatiable curiosity and a passion for learning. His early experiences in Chennai laid the foundation for his future success. The values of hard work, perseverance, and intellectual curiosity that were instilled in him during his formative years would go on to shape his career and life. From these humble beginnings, Sundar Pichai's journey to becoming the CEO of one of the world's most influential tech companies is a testament to the power of education and the importance of nurturing young minds. Pichai attended Padma Seshadri Balabhavan School in Chennai, a school known for its high academic standards and holistic approach to education. He thrived in the academically rigorous environment, consistently performing at the top of his class. The school's emphasis on discipline and hard work helped shape his early years. He was a bright and inquisitive student, always eager to learn and explore new concepts. His teachers often praised his curiosity and dedication. He had a particular affinity for math and science, subjects that would later play a crucial role in his career. His ability to solve complex problems with ease set him apart from his peers. Pichai's talents extended beyond the classroom. He was actively involved in various extracurricular activities which helped him develop a well-rounded personality. He was an active participant in school debates and quizzes, showcasing his quick thinking and vast knowledge on a range of topics. These activities honed his public speaking and analytical skills. He captained his school's cricket team, showcasing natural leadership qualities and the ability to work well with others. His leadership on the field was a testament to his strategic thinking and team spirit. His hard work and dedication earned him a place at the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, one of the top engineering institutions in India. At IIT Kharagpur, Pichai pursued a degree in metallurgical engineering. The rigorous curriculum and competitive environment further sharpened his skills and knowledge. He continued to excel, demonstrating a thirst for knowledge and a strong work ethic. Late nights spent studying and researching were a common part of his routine. He was a respected figure among his peers, often sought after for his insights and advice. His collaborative spirit made him a valuable team member in group projects. They admired his intelligence and humility, qualities that made him approachable and well-liked by everyone. Pichai's time at IIT Kharagpur laid the foundation for his future success, equipping him with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the tech industry. Driven by a desire for deeper knowledge, Sundar Pichai's journey began in India, where he excelled academically from a young age. His curiosity and passion for learning were evident as he delved into various subjects, always seeking to understand the world around him. Pichai set his sights on the United States, a land of opportunities and innovation. He knew that to achieve his dreams, he needed to be at the forefront of technological advancements. He earned a scholarship to Stanford University, one of the most prestigious institutions in the world. This was not just an academic milestone, but a significant turning point in his life. It was a life-changing opportunity that opened doors to new possibilities and experiences. The scholarship was a testament to his hard work and dedication. Leaving his family behind was difficult, but he was determined to pursue his dreams. The journey to the United States was both exciting and daunting, filled with the promise of a brighter future. At Stanford, Pichai thrived in the intellectually stimulating environment. He immersed himself in his studies, collaborating with some of the brightest minds in the field. He earned a master's degree in materials science and engineering, a field that combined his interests in technology and innovation. He then went on to pursue an MBA from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, further broadening his knowledge and skills. Armed with an exceptional education, Pichai embarked on his career. His academic achievements had prepared him well for the challenges ahead. His first job was at Applied Materials as an engineer and product manager. Here he gained practical experience in the tech industry, working on cutting-edge projects. He then moved to McKinsey & Company as a management consultant. This role allowed him to develop his business acumen and strategic thinking. These experiences honed his skills and prepared him for future leadership roles. He learned to navigate complex business environments and make impactful decisions. He gained valuable experience in diverse industries, working with teams from various backgrounds and expertise. This diversity enriched his perspective and approach to problem solving. Little did he know that his path would soon lead him to Google, where his journey would take an extraordinary turn, shaping the future of technology and innovation. In 2004, Pichai joined Google. It was a time of immense growth and innovation for the company. He initially worked on the Google Toolbar. This seemingly small product played a crucial role in Google's early success. The Google Toolbar integrated search directly into the browser. This made it easier for users to find information online. Pichai's contributions did not go unnoticed. He impressed his colleagues with his sharp mind and collaborative spirit. He had a knack for understanding user needs. He could translate complex technical concepts into simple solutions. Pichai's star continued to rise at Google. He took on increasingly challenging roles. He was always up for a challenge, eager to contribute to the company's mission. Section 5, From Toolbar to Chrome: Pichai's Product Prowess. One of Pichai's most significant contributions to Google was his role in the development of the Chrome browser. At the time, Internet Explorer dominated the market. Pichai recognized the need for a faster, more intuitive browser. He championed the development of Chrome. He assembled a talented team of engineers. They worked tirelessly to create a browser that was both powerful and user-friendly. Launched in 2008, Chrome quickly gained popularity. Its speed, simplicity, and security features resonated with users. Chrome's success was a testament to Pichai's product vision and leadership. He had a remarkable ability to anticipate user needs and drive innovation. His contributions to Chrome cemented his position as a rising star at Google. Section 6, Leading the Charge: Gmail to Android. Pichai's influence at Google continued to expand. He took on leadership roles in several key products. He oversaw the development of Gmail, Google Maps, and Google Drive. These products transformed the way people communicate, navigate, and store information. Pichai's vision and leadership were instrumental in their success. He understood the power of cloud computing and mobile technology. He pushed his teams to create products that were accessible and useful for everyone. In 2013, Pichai took on another major responsibility: Android. As the head of Android, he oversaw the development of the world's most popular mobile operating system. Under his leadership, Android continued to evolve. It became more powerful, versatile, and user-friendly. Section 7, Ascending to the Summit: CEO of Google and Alphabet. In 2015, Sundar Pichai was appointed CEO of Google. It was a historic moment. He was the first person of Indian origin to lead a major tech company. His appointment was met with widespread praise. He was widely respected for his intellect, vision, and leadership. As CEO, Pichai continued to drive Google's mission to organize the world's information. He focused on artificial intelligence as a key area of growth. He believed that AI had the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. In 2019, Google restructured under a new parent company called Alphabet Inc. Pichai became CEO of both Google and Alphabet. This move reflected the company's expanding scope and ambitions. Section 8. Navigating the tech landscape: Achievements and Challenges. As CEO, Pichai has faced numerous challenges. The tech industry is constantly evolving. Competition is fierce. Pichai has navigated these challenges with his trademark calm and determination. He has continued to invest in innovation, particularly in areas like AI, cloud computing, and hardware. Under his leadership, Google has made significant strides in AI. Products like Google Assistant and Google Translate have become increasingly sophisticated. Pichai has also emphasized the importance of ethical considerations in AI. He has called for responsible development and deployment of this powerful technology. Section 9. The visionary leader Pichai's impact and legacy. Sundar Pichai's journey is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and dreamers worldwide. His story demonstrates the power of hard work, determination, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From humble beginnings in Chennai to the helm of one of the world's most influential companies, Pichai's rise is a testament to the human potential for achievement. His leadership is characterized by humility, a deep understanding of technology, and a commitment to using it for good. Pichai's vision continues to shape the future of Google and the tech industry as a whole. His story is far from over, but his legacy as a visionary leader is already secure.